Write 8,609 in numerals. So 8,609. So my answer is 8,609. Arrange the following numbers in order, beginning with the smallest. Okay, to do this, okay, you can draw a box. And line them up properly. Okay. After that, we will compare row by row. Okay, so I have 3, 8, 2, 1, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 8, 2, 3, 1, 2, 8. So comparing row by row. Okay, since this is all 3, I cannot tell who is bigger, who is smaller. Okay, then we move on to the next row. Okay, question 1 begin with the smallest. So let's find out. Okay, there are 8, 8, 1, 1. So 8 is bigger than 1, means I will start with the ones. Okay, so let's compare. Okay, looking at these 2 rows only, these 2 numbers only. Okay, 1 and 1, I cannot tell who is bigger. But the next row, 8 and 2, I can tell who is bigger. So 8 is bigger than 2. So 2 is the smallest number here. So this is the smallest. Okay, so 3, 1, 2, 8. And don't look at this anymore. Okay, followed by 3, 1, 8, 2. Cancel away, don't look at this anymore. We compare the next 2. So this is 2, this is 1. Who is smaller? Okay, 3, 8, 1, 2 is smaller. So 3, 8, 1, 2. Cancel this. Hence, the biggest number here will be 3, 8, 2, 1. Okay, so check again. We are putting the numbers in order. So the smallest will be 3,128, followed by 3,182, then 3,812. So the greatest number will be 3,821. Answer for number 17. Find the product of 7 and 9. Product means multiply. 7 times 9, 63. Okay? Divide 54 by 6. Means what times 6 will give you 54? The answer is 9. Next. 3,500 plus what is equals to 3,597. So this is like number bond. Okay, if we look at number bonds, it will look like this. Okay, so that means this plus 3,500 plus what equals to 3,597. So we straight away minus. Answer 97. Okay, it's good to write in numerals. So I'm going to write in numerals. 7,000. Okay. 4 once means 4. I do not know this and I need to find out. Okay, so I'm going to read the question now. 7,000 plus what? Plus 4 will give me 7,104. So I take 7,104 minus away 7,000 first. And I have 104. So 104 minus 4, 100 means how many tens are there in 100? How many tens are there in 100, right? Okay, means 100 divided by 10. To divide by 10, all we need to do is cancelling away the 0. So I cancel 1 0 from 10, means I cancel 1 0 from 100. And what is left? I'm left with 10. So the answer is 10. Next, look at the number line below. The number line is marked at equal intervals. What is the missing number indicated by the arrow on the number line? Okay, in order to do this, I need to find out what is the value of each line. So I'm taking these two numbers since my question mark is here, and I find their difference. 5,400 minus 5,300, and I have 100. So 100 is how many lines? So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 100 is 5 lines. So 100 divided by 5, and I have 20. Each line represents 20. So to do this, every line at 20. So 5,300 plus 20, 5,320. Next, 320 add 20, and I have 5,340. Hence the answer is 5,340. Next, 23. What is the missing number in the number pattern? Okay, we have to spot the difference first. Okay, this is 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay, so this I can compare. Next, go to the next one. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I can take two numbers and I start to minus. Okay, take bigger number minus smaller number. Okay, so add 101. Next one. Is 101 again. Next, it's 101. Means every time I add 101, it goes to the next number. So 69, in order to find the next one, okay, I take 6973 plus 101. 7074. Okay, I have to confirm my answer is correct. So I'm going to take 774 plus 101 to check if it will give me 7,175. So 7,074 plus 101. And yes, the answer is correct. So 7074. Question 24. Use the digit 3069 to form the smallest 4-digit even number. So I'm going to draw a rectangle box. Since they asked for 4 digits, so I'm going to cut this box into 4. And they want the smallest number, so I'll start with smallest and even number. The ones place must be even. So looking at the digits given, okay, which one is the smallest? 0. But there's no number beginning with 0. So we have to take the second smallest number, which is 3. So 3, 0. I'm left with 6 and 9. Okay, let's find out 6, even number or odd number? 6 is even. How about 9? Even or odd? Odd number. I need the even number to be in my ones place. So I put 6 here. And therefore, 9 will be here. Answer 3096. 3096. Question 25. Look at the numbers below. 8702, 8076. Each statement below is either true or false from the information. For each statement, put a tick in the correct column. Okay, let's start. A. Both numbers have the digit 7 in the hundreds place. So let's look at the first one. 7, okay. Which place is it at? It's at tens place. Next 7. What place is it at? Okay, hundreds. Are both of them in the hundreds place? No. So the answer is false. The greatest digit for both numbers is in thousands place. Let's look at the thousands place. Okay. Eight is in the thousands place. Are they the biggest digits for both numbers? Yes? Yes, the answer is true. Find the quotient when 612 is divided by 7. I'll get a new page. 612 divided by 7. Write down your 7 times table. Okay, look at the first digit, 6. Can I find 6 in my 7 times table? No, means 6 cannot be divided by 7. Hence, minus 0, draw a line, put a 0 on top. 6 minus 0, I have 6. So bring down the next number. Now I have 61. Can I find 61 in my 7 times table? There's no 61, so you take the closest number that is smaller than 61. Circle 56 minus 56. Draw a line, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, okay? So 61 minus 56. Okay, I'm left with 5. Bring down the next number. Is there 52 in my 7 times table? Answer is no again. So I take the closest one. Okay? Closest to 52 but smaller than 52 will be 49. So circle 49 minus 49, 9. Draw a line and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 52 minus 49, okay, and I have a remainder 3. So, question 1, find the quotient. What is quotient? Means the answer when you divide. So, the quotient will be 87. Question 27. John and Ivan have a total of 9,361 stamps. John has 3,257 stamps. How many does Ivan have? This is a straightforward question. You have two persons, okay, and they have a total of 9,361. Okay, one is John, the other is Ivan, and John has 3,257. So to find Ivan, all you need to do is minus. Okay, so 9,361 minus 3,257. 1 cannot minus 7, hence I borrow. So 11 minus 7, I have 4. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 9 minus 3, 6. My answer is 6104. Question 27. Question 28. Anne saved $1,048. Belle saved $1,136. How much lesser? How much lesser? Okay, straight away you minus. Okay, if I draw model, it will look like this. I have two persons. Okay, one is called Anne, the other is called Belle. Okay, Anne has 1,048, Belle has 1,136. Who has more? Belle has more. Hence, Belle is the longer bar and Anne is the shorter bar. So I will start with shorter bar. Anne has 1,048. And Belle has 1,136. That's Belle. So how much lesser means the difference. We need to find the difference. So 1136 minus 1048. 1136 minus 1048. 6 is smaller than 8, so we cannot minus, borrow. Okay, so I have 16 minus 8 and the answer is 8. 2 is smaller than 4, cannot minus, so borrow, and I have 12 now. 12 minus 4, 8. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Hence, the difference is 88. Sam has 387 apples. He packed all the apples in the bags of 6. How many apples were left unpacked? Means 387 divided by 6. And when they ask for unpacked, they are asking for remainder. So I'll go to the next page to divide this. 387 divided by 6. Write down your 6 times table. So look at the first digit. 3. Can I find 3 here? No. Means cannot divide. Then minus 0, draw a line, 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Bring down to 8. Okay? Is there 38 in my 6 times table? The answer is no again. So find the closest number that is smaller than 38. So it's 36. Circle 36 minus 36. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 38 minus 36, 2. Bring down the next number, 7. Okay, is there 27 in my 6 times table? No. Find the closest number that is smaller than 27, and the answer is 24. So circle 24 minus 24, draw a line, count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 37 minus 24, remainder 3. The question asks how many were unpacked, means they're asking for remainder. So the answer is 3.